Good day mga idol! Welcome back to Stock Market U! Kumain na ba kayo mga idol, no? Ngayon pag-uusapan natin yung prospectus ni NorthStar. So without further ado, let's get ready to rumble. Basic information, issuer si NorthStar Meat Merchants Inc. galing Iloilo. Stock symbol NSTAR. The offer is 392 million common shares. Offer price, not yet final, 10 pesos. Offer period tentative June 13 to 17, 2022. Tentative listing date June 24, 2022. Estimated net proceeds 3.46 billion pesos. And kung bumagsak man ang stock nito on listing date, meron bang sasalo? Merong stabilizing agent, si BTO Capital. So yun, business overview. According to Euromotor, syempre lagi maganda sasabihin nila dyan. Northstar is the leading and one of the largest meat, pork and beef vendor and supplier in the modern trade channels in the country. Northstar prides itself in providing the most comprehensive range of fresh and frozen pork and beef products at competitive prices nationwide. So despite daw sa challenges posted by COVID-19 nung nakaraan, the company's sales have grown at a CAGR, no, sa second paragraph, of 39.7% or compounded annual growth yung CAGR. And its net income has grown at a CAGR of 131.9% from 2019 to 2021. Northstar is the meat concessionaire in 360 retail outlets, no, nationwide yan. So as of 31 nga, December 31, 2021, meron silang 360 meat concessions nationwide. 248 meat concessions galing NCR, 53 sa Luzon, 53 sa Visayas, and 6 sa Mindanao. No? Sa sunod na paragraph, the core products of the company belong to the top 3 sources of protein in the country. No? The sales mix for 2021 is comprised of 67 pork, marami pa rin mahilig sa baboy, 27% beef, and 8% chicken. Alright, Northstar's business galing to sa college thesis ni Mr. Anthony Nang, no? Which was required to start or revive a business and make it profitable. Akalain mo ngayon, mag-IPO na siya, no? Started to more than 20 years pa. Tapos, after graduation, he slowly expanded to supermarkets and eventually consolidated the operations in the corporate entity, Northstar Meat Merchants Inc. in 2008. Alright, summary of selected operating and financial information. So, yung stores nila, no, from 2019, 310 lang, naging 326 2020, then 360 as of December 2021. Tapos, yung sales growth nila, tumaas din, no, from 0.1%, naging 28%, naging 52%. And then, net profit from 116 million noong 2019, naging 238 million 2020, and 610 million. Kaya mataas yung compounded annual growth rate nila. Pero sa net profit margin, no, hindi ganun kataasan yung 6.6% noong 2021. Pero dinadaan nila sa volume Kaya kahit papano, 610 million pa rin. Alright, so use of proceeds sa 3.46 billion, capex nila, gagamitin nila doon, out of that 3.46, 650 million gagamitin nila sa cold storage warehouses, yung timeline 2022 to 2025. And then B, meat cutting, fabrication, processing, and package equipment, 100 million. Then improvement ng technology sa IT, 100 million. Cold storage logistics, 100 million din. Investment in solar energy, no, para mas makatipid sa kuryente, para bumaba yung cost, 50 million pesos. And then sa kabila naman, 1.5 billion, medyo malaki-laki gagamitin nila dito. Bulk ng proceeds gagamitin dito. Increase working capital primarily to improve operational efficiencies. Letter A, improve ability for contract, spot, and bulk purchasing of inventory. B, increase working capital for expansion, 500 million pesos. And then expansion of product lines, R&D, 300 million. And then expansion of product lines on. And then for R&D, 162 million pesos. So estimated net proceeds nila is 3.46 billion. Alright, so sa dividends naman, medyo mababa, no? Pursuant to approval on March 14, 2022, we intend to maintain an annual dividend payment ratio of at least 10% lang ng prior fiscal year's net income. So kung maalala nyo sila all day, no, 20 to 30% ng net income yung ina-allocate nila for dividends. September 6, nagkaroon sila ng 2021, the board of directors approved the declaration of cash dividends amounting to 500 pesos lang per share per subscribed shares, or a total of 60 million pesos. So November 2022, nagkaroon sila ng declaration of stock dividends. Ito ang isa sa pinakayong dividends, stock dividends, na 240 million pesos divided by into 960 billion common shares at 0.25 per share. So take note lang sa baba, no dividends were declared for the years ended December 30, 2021 and 2019. Sa dilution naman, net tangible book value adjusted after the offer, 2.46. So remember, yung offer price niya is 10 pesos. No? So at a premium mo siya bibili. Way above net tangible book value. So sa capitalization naman, yung existing shareholders meron diyang 1.4 billion. No? Tapos yung ino-offer nila, 392 million common shares. So that would be a total of 1.8 billion. So market cap niya, if ever 10 talaga yung price, so 1.8 billion outstanding shares times 10. So market cap is 18 billion pesos. Alright, so my thoughts lang, no? Patapos na tayo. Their business could be affected by margin squeeze too due to high inflation. Pangalawa, 18 billion valuation is high. Many other stocks are undervalued compared to NorthStar. Marami mga blue chip companies ngayon na undervalued. And simplehan na lang natin si Cemex, no, at saka si Keeper, no, medyo kadikit ng valuation nito, especially si Keeper, pero si Keeper mas mataas yung income niya din, and si Cemex nasa around 9 billion lang market cap, halos same lang sila ng income, or baka mas mataas pa si Cemex. And pangatlo, for me, story ain't sexy. So yun lang mga idol, thank you for watching. Kita tayo ulit sa next prospectus. Stock Market You, forever student of the game.